In today's digital age, social media has become a ubiquitous part of our lives. It has revolutionized the way we communicate, share information, and consume content. However, with the rise of social media, there has been a growing concern that our attention spans are becoming shorter. In this essay, we will explore the extent to which social media affects our attention span. Firstly, it is important to acknowledge that social media is designed to grab our attention. With constant notifications, flashy graphics, and engaging content, social media platforms are designed to keep us hooked. However, this can come at a cost. Studies have shown that excessive use of social media can lead to a decrease in attention span and an increase in distractibility. This can have negative implications on our ability to focus and concentrate, which are essential skills in both personal and professional settings. On the other hand, there are those who argue that social media has actually improved our ability to multitask and process information quickly. The argument is that social media has trained our brains to process information rapidly, allowing us to be more efficient in our work and daily tasks. Furthermore, social media has also opened up new avenues for learning and education, allowing us to access information and knowledge on a wide range of topics. In conclusion, while social media has undoubtedly changed the way we interact and consume content, its impact on our attention span is still up for debate. While some argue that social media has shortened our attention span, others argue that it has trained us to process information more efficiently. Ultimately, it is up to each individual to use social media in a responsible and balanced way, taking into account the potential impact it can have on our attention span.